Do you have trouble finding organic, healthy seedlings at a reasonable cost?
Hey, good morning. It's David, co-founder of Cerca Cultivation. Excited to be shipping our first round of seedlings that we grow here at the farm. You see a whole bunch of them down here. We're shipping them to the Olle Garden Learning Center. And Kimberly, we're so excited for you to receive these. Let us know how they do. I'm about to box them up and send them to you right now.
Hey David, I got your package from the greenhouse. I'm super excited to check out the seedlings you sent and get them planted in my new Olle Learning Garden. The first bundle I got was called the Green Bundle, and it has greens like arugula, kale, Swiss chard, and you open it up and it has these perfect little seedlings ready for the garden. The second bundle I got is called the Farmer's Bundle, and it has things like cauliflower, Napa cabbage, broccoli, and you can see I have 12 little perfect seedlings. The third bundle is one I'm super excited about because it's herbs. I use a lot of herbs in the kitchen when I'm cooking, and it's hard to find herbs sometimes at the grocery store, and when you do, they're quite costly. So I have a 12-pack of herbs. The fourth bundle is called the Lettuce Bundle. I'm really enjoying the selection of lettuces they picked. These are all lettuces that will grow, and you can clip them and they will grow back over and over again. The fifth bundle that I got is called the Veggie Bundle, and it has things like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, snap peas, cauliflower, broccoli, and we've got 12 healthy plants ready for the garden.